Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Hyundai in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Kia Carens. This car comes with a lovely specification. It's got white leather interior with front heated seats. The driver's side is fully electric. You've also got satellite navigation, front and rear parking aids, including a rear colour camera. This lovely panoramic glass roof above my head, and that one does open as well. You've also got Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, along with a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. But if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a good day.